So, paano ba natin sinasagawa itong rectangular component? Ito, let's say meron tayong tatlong forces dito at a certain angle. So, para makapag-derive tayo ng formulas, isagawa muna natin yung graphical method. So, let us first plot force 1. Then, from the head, let us plot force 2. And then, from the head, let us plot force 3. And again, sabi natin, to solve for the resultant, that is just the arrow from end or from start to end. Like that. Yan. And to solve for that resultant, usually gusto natin makuha yung horizontal distance na to, tawagin na lang nating Rx. And yung vertical distance na to, tawagin na lang nating Ry. Okay, so, if meron tayong value ng Rx and Ry, to solve for the resultant, that is just simply Pythagorean theorem lang. So, isama nyo na yan sa formulas nyo when solving for the resultant. And if you want, so this is just the magnitude, ano? Magnitude. If you want to solve for the direction, which is the angle theta, that is just simply inverse tangent ng Ry over Rx. So, paano ba natin sinusolve si Rx and Ry ngayon? Let's say, what if kunin natin yung horizontal component ni F1? Kunin din natin yung horizontal component ni F2. And then, horizontal component ni F3. Hindi ba pag pinag-add natin yung horizontal component ni F1, 2, and 3, equal lang yan sa Rx? Okay, so, to generalize our formula, basically, nag-summation lang tayo ng horizontal component, no? So, Rx is equal to summation of Fx na lang, considering to the right positive and to the left negative. So, another formula yan. Next, for the Ry, let's say, what if kunin ko yung vertical component ni F1, F2, and F3? Then, pagsama-samahin natin. Hindi ba equal lang yun sa Ry? So, to generalize the formula again, basically, nag-summation lang tayo ng forces sa Y, no? Considering downward positive, upward negative, o pero mas sanay pala tayo sa downward negative and then upward positive, ano? So, ganyan na lang. So, these are the usual sign convention natin. So, meron tayong 4 formulas when solving for the resultant of a force. How do we solve for the resultant moment naman ngayon? To solve for the resultant moment, gagamit lang tayo ng principles of moment or mas kilala sa tawag na Varigno's theorem, wherein it states that the moment of a force about a point is equal to the sum of the moments of its component about that point. In mathematical expression, ganyan. In general, ganito yung formula natin. So, the resultant moment about a certain point is just equal to the summation of forces times perpendicular distance. And ang usual sign convention natin dyan, clockwise positive, counterclockwise negative.